Hi, this is Sadhana again. Uh, Hope you're all liking my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe just to motivate me, not for anything else, so that I can do better and better. I can improvise better and better. So, these comments or these suggestions and all will make me improvise on my culinary skills. So today actually I'll be showing small mini dosas, you can say, made with leftover idli batter. So you'll enjoy it. It's a common thing. I think many people will do it, but still I'll be showing it my style, and I'm sure you'll all like it. So go ahead and prepare and enjoy. So this is my idli batter. Maybe I've got about 2 cups of idli batter, or if you have dosa batter, you can use that. But in my house, I use idli batter separate and dosa batter separate. For your information, every dosa is different for me. I don't just make one dosa batter and use it for masala dosa, set dosa. No, set dosa is different, masala dosa is different, mini uttapam is different. So because I don't believe in making one batter and keeping in the fridge and reusing it. And so this is my idli batter which I have made. It's a leftover idli batter. I've got 2 cups. I've got little coriander leaves. I've got little curry leaves. I've got about 2 green chilies, and I've got about half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of jeera, and a little coconut. That is optional. And I've got my oil, and this already has salt, so you don't need to use, but if you feel like, you can use a little salt. So I've kept my salt. So this is for my mini dosa made with idli batter, and this is called Ramdan in Konkani. So this is made our Konkani style. So go ahead and enjoy this mini dosas. So now I'll be showing for the dosa batter what all I have to add. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon of oil. Any vegetable oil is okay. Let it crackle a little. Let it the oil heat a little. In the meanwhile, I'll be showing you. I'm cutting curry leaves. When I have little to make, I normally use my kitchen scissors. It's easy, saves time. And I'll be cutting my dhania also, that is coriander leaves. I'll be adding it to the batter. I'm doing this and I've kept my oil to heat. I'll be chopping my chilies, all add to the batter. About 2 chilies I've added, and curry leaves. And I'm adding my coconut. But coconut is optional. If you don't use, you don't need to add. And now the oil is hot. I'm adding my mustard. It is going to crackle little. I will add my jeera, half a teaspoon. Allow it to crackle a little. You can see it's crackling. Now I'm going to add this to the batter. And mix. Since the idli is what we use is not so, it will be a little bland. We don't add much salt. You can add maybe a quarter teaspoon of salt. Just a little. Just to give that extra taste in the mini dosas. So now I'll make my mini dosa. Now I've kept my mini dosa tawa on the stove, and I'm adding a little oil. Allow it to be a little hot. Add the oil, nice, about a teaspoon of oil to the whole tawa. If you don't have this tawa, no problem. You can also make it one at a time on your normal tawa itself. I have this, so I make it this because they look nice. And now I'll be putting it hot. So I'll be putting my, just leave it it should be like roasted idlis. So just leave it like this. You have to add a little bit of more oil because to get that crusty roasted idli batter texture. Now we'll close and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Here I wish to tell you that if you are going to make on the tawa, you have to just put oil in the middle, put one small ladle of batter and just leave it. It should look like a small roasted idli on both sides with the same look, like a circular texture of an idli. So that is what I would like to share. And also I would like to actually in our community what they do is, previously they used to keep the tawa, put oil, and whatever I put the mustard seeds and jeera, they used to add curry leaves and everything, and then on in that tempering itself they used to add one ladle of batter. But what happens is the mustard seeds gets collected below the mini dosa. So some people do not like the direct taste of mustard in their mouth. So I have improvised on that. So now what I do is I don't want the mustards to go waste. So now I add it to the batter itself. So that way the mustard goes inside, it's also healthy and it is not getting wasted. So you people also can do this. This is a tip which you can follow, and you can follow this with any dosas actually, but I prefer to follow for my Ramadan. Now we'll check for my mini leftover idli batter dosa. Oh my god, look how beautiful. You saw? It is looking circular like a roasted idli. Can you see? Look at the texture. See the shape. It should not spread. It should look like a roasted idli. Can you see? It's super tasty. And now I add a little more of oil because it has to roast in the other side also. After I flipped it over, it has to roast on the other side. So a little more of oil. Basically this, for one small mini dosa, about 2 teaspoons of oil. You may feel the little oil is more, but then it's okay. Once in a way you can have this, and it's a whole meal by itself because it is made out of idli batter, which is healthy, and also one shot you are getting 7 dosas. If at all you don't have this tawa, please go ahead and buy it in a shop. It's worth the buy. If you can make whole lot of things in this mini uttappa, mini dosa, mini anything you can make. So this is the way it looks. You see, nice. Now we'll let it get roasted a little. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare our chutney. I have flipped it over. Can you see the roast? Can you see? It has to be roasted like this. It has to look like this. The texture has to be like this. Only then you will enjoy. I have flipped it over. I have again put the other side to roast a little and have it hot with the lovely mixed dal chutney. It is super yum and super tasty. So please go ahead and prepare. Don't think the idli batter is there and what to do. You can see it looks like one roasted idlis. Can you see? Can you make out? It doesn't look like a dosa. It looks like a circular type of a idli. So go ahead and have it and enjoy it. Now let us make the chutney. Now I'll be showing for my chutney. I kept oil, I've kept salt, a little methi, if you can see, a little tamarind, about half teaspoon of urad dal, about a teaspoon of chana dal, about a teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoons of fried gram, that is putani dal we call it, and I've kept about 3 green chilies and 1 red chili, and I've also kept about a cup of grated fresh coconut. This is for my chutney. So now I'll be making my chutney. have kept my small pan for the chutney. So now I'm going to roast. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of oil, and I'll be roasting my chana dal, my urad dal, my methi seeds. I'm going to roast them nicely. I've added my green chilies and the one red chili also. And nicely give it a nice, it should roast nicely, a nice flavor. I'm adding my roasted dal and the chili and all that to the mixer grinder. I'm adding the other ingredients also. You can increase the quantity. I'm just making for about 2 helpings. A little tamarind and salt. Now I'll be making the chutney. Maybe about, because the chutney is very little salt. Maybe quarter. And you can taste and put later also. So hi again. I just want to say a few things. Sometimes what happens when you make idlis on one particular day, the next day you don't feel like eating idlis again. The batter, you may have a leftover batter which you don't feel like making idlis. So last week I showed you the bondas made with idli batter in my last video, and this time I am showing you with the idli batter what dosas you can make, fluffy, roasted on both sides, lovely dosas which you can make, and very simple, very easy. You can also, if you don't have time, make it a little bigger, it doesn't make a difference. And so it's you can make lots of variations in the kitchen with whatever little things you have. Like when you saw today, with the ingredients what I have at home, I didn't buy anything extra. But so you can have it for dinner also, for your breakfast, any time of the day, or a snack in the evening. So you can have the chutney, lovely chutney, mixed dal chutney, and these dosas. So please go ahead and enjoy cooking, and first and foremost, you enjoy having it yourself first, because you will be the first guest for whatever you make. So you enjoy it first and then share it with your friends. So please like, share and subscribe, so that it will motivate me and I can improvise better and better. Thank you. So I have made my mini leftover idli batter mini dosas. You can say it's called Ramdan in our Konkani language. And I have made my chutney, and I have kept a whole dollop of butter. So this is the way you have to eat this particular dish. You can eat it with breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever, however you like it. So I'm going to taste. I just add a little bit of butter and a little bit of chutney. I think I feel like eating it now itself. It's hot and so tasty. So go ahead and enjoy our Ramdan